Hi, my name is Brian. Today we're going to go over the features and some of the applications with the reliable 3100 IC direct drive 5-thread cylinder bed cover seam machine. There's a sight glass right here on top of the machine that shows the oil splashing up. This indicates actually that there's oil in the machine as you're sewing. So as you come over here, there's a knob sticking up the top. This puts pressure on the foot as you're sewing. If you turn it clockwise to the right, it's more. Counterclockwise to your left is less. There's also a swing out shield in case a needle or something breaks, it protects you. As you come down to the needles themselves, there is a needle guard which will stop you from putting your fingers anywhere near the sewing area. So as we come over to the machine, you're going to see a lever here, and there's a knob on the side that loosens off so you can move the lever up and down. This sets your differential feed. Now, as we go back over towards the other left side, this right here with the numbers and the knob adjusts the stitch length. There are 5 thread tension assemblies on this machine. The top 3 are for the needles. The 4th one is for your top cover seam, and the 5th one is for your lower looper. So you have 2 pedals on the bottom of the machine. This activates the sewing. This lifts the foot. But just by merely pushing it down with your foot, it lifts the sewing foot on the sewing machine. So pressing the pedal down forward starts the machine. And then when you're stopped and you're finished your sewing cycle, you heel back and it takes the needles back up into home position. So as you're pressing the foot lift pedal, you'll notice that it also opens the tension discs of the thread tensions as well as lifting the presser foot. So what we're going to do now is just go over a couple of programming points. So push the switch down, it turns the unit on. You can see the rotation that's supposed to be there. It's just telling you the motor is on. So to set the speed, just hit the plus or the minus. And when you got on the speed you want, press S to lock it in. So there's also an S here. You can see this light above it. So there's a light just above the needles that this turns on or turns off. So your P, you can see a needle up and a needle down. So you can set the needle position up or down when you stop sewing, and then when you treadle back, the needles will go up into home position.